guys, morning. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of poetry analysis. So I've given you a poem called Huntress by H.D. She was a poet who was writing in the early 60s, late 50s in the United States. She was kind of a postmodernist poet. And you're going to be doing a little bit of analysis that links this to Lord of the Flies. So you're going to start by annotating the poem. So you're going to highlight in blue words that make you think of visual imagery. So that's stuff that we can see. In green, you're going to highlight words that provide tactile or touch imagery, right? So I'll give you a little hint here, right? Loose earth, right? Our feet cut into the crust. All of those are touch imagery. Okay, and then in yellow, you're going to highlight any literary devices that you see, and then you're going to identify them using the comment button, right? So you might take this part, the can you come, and that would be a great example of repetition. So you'll click right here at this plus button where it says add a comment, and you'll say repetition, and then you'll hit comment, right? So this is how you're going to annotate it so that I can see it. I then want you to underline 3 lines that you believe are very important and explain why. So you'll just go like this. You'll underline, and you'll hit comment, and you'll explain why you think they're important, okay? So once you have completed that part of it, you're going to come down here, and you're going to fill in this chart, okay? It should be pretty self-explanatory. You've already pulled your figurative language and sound devices when you annotated the poem, so you can just copy down the line number and explain what you think the theme or message of the poem is, and then I want you to connect it to Lord of the Flies with. It doesn't have to be quotations from the novel. It can just be examples, specific examples from the novel. And then down here, you're going to soapstone. So remember, with soapstone, you pick 10 important words for the subject from the poem. Okay. Immediate occasion, just a short summary of what's going on in the poem. Specific audience, who do they seem to be talking to? What kind of person can relate to this poem? Purpose, right? To plus a strong verb. What are they trying to teach you? And then your speaker, you need your 3 adjective noun combos and quotes that prove. So this is a first-person speaker, but you should notice that this is a first-person speaker that uses the word we. So it's a collective speaker, which means that all of your nouns and your adjective noun combos should be group nouns, okay? And then your 3 tone words, okay, with quotes that prove it. And then when you're done, you'll just submit this to Google Classroom. As always, if you have any questions, email me or hop on Zoom, and I'll be there to help you guys. Thanks. Bye.